Ha. No. 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 Oh, this is stupid. Hi, hi, hello. Yeah. Is that dog hair? I don't even have a dog. Am I matching? I think I'm matching. Glasses. No glasses. Glasses. I can see so much better. New shirt! Fuck is that shirt? Better. Better. I just wore this yesterday, but no one needs to know that about you and me. And I guess everyone else who's watching this video. Darn tootin'. Wait, I need a hat for that. You darn tootin'. That was probably racist, even though I'm American. They are American. They just ride horses. And I don't. Well, bye-bye. This is not a gun. This is, like, at ease. Soldier. Yeah. I'm right. I'll never go anywhere.